them, your reasoning throughout experience, through experience, are endowed with two different types of wisdom. Bihar al-Anwar, volume 75, page 7, taken from Nahjul Balagah. Says, Amir al-Mu'mineen Ali ibn Abi Talib salawatullahi wa salamuhu alayhi says, Al-aqlu aqlan. We human beings, two types of wisdom. Aqlu al-tab'a wa aqlu al-tajriba.
Which means?
Wisdom by nature and wisdom by experience. It's not the case that you are born wise. Of course, genetic, in physiological inheritance, you are endowed with the capacity of thinking, problem solving, analysis, and all types of activities. Imam Ali ibn Abi Talib says, Al-aqlu aqlan. We have two types of wisdom. Aqlu al-tab'a, wisdom by nature, without any learning experience. It's not acquired. It's with you. It's in it. Wa aqlu al-tajriba. And the wisdom that you come up with through experiences and practices. Practice makes perfect. So, and كلاهما يؤدي إلى المنفعة. And you are in need of both. Those who stay just with aqlu tab, wisdom by nature, they are not
so complete.
Perfect. You need both. He said, do you know why I am emphasizing on the importance and necessity of both? Because if you stay with one of them, you have just one side of the token. And you're deprived. And there are needs in your life that you need both. Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala gifted you of both. Raises one good question. Who is the person? Can you tell me? Who is the wisest person?
Okay, can anyone answer?
The wisest person is a person that if at the end of his life you ask him which direction would you like to go back, he says from the direction which I chose in the first stage, I go again to the same direction. In other words, he is not regretting what he did in the past. He is happy from the beginning, like prophets, Ma'sumin. If you ask them, they don't say that, sorry, I made mistakes and sins, I want to be a different person. They do as they did in the first stage. These are...
Brother Husseini provided me the answer through a Gestalt approach. This is a very important and very nice answer. Who is the wisest? The one when he look back to his life. He's so happy that if someone asks that, what do you do if you go back at your first point? He say, I would repeat the same as I did. He's so sure, so certain that he says, I was so careful about my life, moments by moments, that I would do the same as I did. This is first. But if we want to look at the wisest person, not in a Gestalt general way, presently, what do you think in this session, today, in the afternoon, who is the wisest person?
Does anyone have the answer?
Don't take the whole life.
Okay.
Person is somebody who knows the present time, the precious time.
Knows that the present time, because he's not stuck with the past, not with the future. He's enjoying the present.
Because they're really looking to the present and past and future. Find out that the past now does not exist, future does not exist, but present does exist. So we should use the existence. We shouldn't look for the things which are unavailable.
What do you think? This side?
A wise person is someone who does not repeat what he did wrong, what
His or her mistakes.
Yeah, mistakes. You
Oh
know,
my God.
yes,
Very nice answer.
yes. I think that's what I.
Very nice answer.
Any other
The
comments
wisest
or-
person in the life, the more skillful, the most skillful person in the life is the one who does not repeat his or her mistakes once. And we have a narration from Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.
Can we hear-
لا يلسع المؤمن مرتين. Mu'min is not be bitten from one hole 2 times. Just once, twice, once. Then you take lesson. Go ahead.
I think my answer is somehow like Ali's answer. Wisest person. The wisest person is a person who get use of his past, his experience, and use it for the future.
And make a more fruitful future. Thank you. Thank you. That's. Could I just give you Alawi's answer?
Yes.
Imam Ali, it's good to have this answer beside your answers. Then you judge.
It is the best, I think.
Yeah, it's so clever and so precise. Ali ibn Abi Talib salawatullahi wa salamu alayhi says, وَلَيْسَ الْعَاقِلُ مَنْ يَعْرِفُ الْخَيْرَ مِنَ الشَّرِّ. Normally, when we want to judge about people, we say, who is the wisest person? The wisest person is the one who is able to differentiate between good and bad, good and evil. Who is the wisest? He does not make a mistake. When do we do mistakes? When we are not able to differentiate what is good and what is bad. We perform bad in turn of good, or good in turn of bad. Okay? Amir al-Mu'mineen salawatullahi wa salamu alayhi says, this is important. You need to be able to differentiate between good and bad, good and evil. ليس العاقل يعرف الخير من الشر ولكن العاقل من يعرف خير الشرين. Life is full of evil, whether you like or dislike. There is no escape. There is no choice not to do, not to perform any mistakes. It's there. From the early morning up until night, we perform many things that at the end of the day, we say, oh my God, I wish I couldn't be there. I couldn't do this. Amir al-Mu'mineen salawatullahi wa salamu alayhi says, try to know what is the best type of evil. From among two evils. This is bad and this is bad. And there is no third choice for you. What do you take? The one which has less disadvantages. This is very beautiful. Al-aqilu man ya'rifu khayra ash-sharrayn. Always in your life, you're take and give. Okay? Try to take something which is more beneficial than what you give. This is the wisest. This is the top skill that we need in life. This is first. Okay?
Our friend Ali has something to say.
A certain hadith, sorry to interrupt you. Certain hadith I read about Imam Ali, a kind of advice that he gave to Imam Hussein, salatullah salamu alayhi. He said, يا بني لا بد من عاقل أن يعرف نفسه وأن يحفظ لسانه وأن يعرف أهل زمانه.
Okay.
Sometimes I do think about it. I don't understand it. Sometimes I do understand it, but I think it's just,